Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is a project where you can create an Easter bunny with a Camembert cheese box. It's a fun activity that can be done ahead of Easter by the kids and filled with chocolate eggs by the Easter bunny. Take a Camembert cheese box and paint it white. You will probably need to put 2 or 3 coats of paint on the side with the illustration. Print the pattern of the ears and cut it out. Remember to cut in the middle along the dotted line. Take bristol paper and fold it in half. Trace the outline of the ear pattern as well as along the central slit. Cut out both layers of bristol paper and cut along the center line as well. You now have 2 bunny ears. Put white glue on one side of the slit and bring the other side of the ear to the side with the glue. Hold in place with a clothespin. Repeat for the other ear. When the glue is dry, remove the clothespins and glue the ears to the lid of the Camembert cheese box with white glue. Let dry completely. Paint both sides of the box and the ears gray. The white paint serves as a base coat to bring out the gray. While the paint in the ears is still a bit wet, paint the inside of the ears with light pink paint. Take bristol paper to create the teeth. Draw a small rectangle and cut it out. Draw a line down the middle of the rectangle to represent the rabbit's 2 front teeth. For the whiskers, cut thin strips of the bristol paper but leave them attached on one end. That will make them easier to handle. Place the googly eyes, pom-pom and teeth on the lid to decide where you want to place them. When you are satisfied, glue the eyes in place with the glue gun, then the pom-pom, which represent the nose of the rabbit. Continue by gluing the teeth, pushing them slightly under the pom-pom of the nose, and finish by gluing the whiskers on either side of the nose. This cute bunny will be a nice decoration for Easter. Fill it with chocolate eggs and it will make a very nice gift. To print the document with the pattern, click on the link below the video and visit the Animaplates website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects.